Welcome to this video on mastering the smartphone camera. We'll explore the essential functions and features that will help you capture high-quality photos. In photography, milliseconds matter. A missed moment or a slow shutter can ruin the story you're trying to capture. Being ready is key. Always start by cleaning your lens. Oil and dust scatter light, leading to blurry, hazy photos, especially in low light. A clean lens ensures sharp images. Learn how to launch your camera instantly. For Android, double-tap the power button. For iOS, swipe left or long press from the lock screen. This bypasses the lock screen for quick access. Your smartphone has a multi-camera system. Learn to choose the right lens for the best results. The lens array offers 3 main options. Use ultra-wide for landscapes, the main lens for portraits in low light, and the telephoto for close-ups and natural background blur, known as bokeh. Always use optical zoom presets for maximum detail. Avoid digital zoom, which you activate by pinching, as it destroys image detail and reduces quality. The physical volume buttons act as a hardware shutter, providing a more stable grip. You can also tap for a single shot or long press for quick video recording. Master the camera gestures. Tap the screen to set focus and light, long press to lock the focus and exposure, and swipe to switch between camera modes quickly. By understanding your smartphone's camera interface, you gain a precision tool that allows you to capture the perfect shot every time.